someone who must hear the words I've never spoken tonight. If you were here, my silence would be broken. I need him to touch me, to know the love that's in my heart, the same heart that tells me to see myself, to free myself, to be myself at last. Too many mornings the curtains were drawn. It's time they were open to welcome the dawn. A voice deep inside's getting stronger. I can't keep it quiet any longer. No matter what happens, it can't be the same anymore. No matter what happens, no matter what happens, it can't be the same anymore. I promise it won't be the same.